In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change screen resolution in Windows 11. So let's get started. If you are looking to adjust your screen settings for improved clarity or better compatibility, then this video is just for you. First, right-click Start button at the bottom. Now from the available options, click Settings. Now in the left panel, click System. Now click Display in the right side. Under Scale and Layout section, you will find an option Display Resolution along with dropdown. The drop-down menu contains available resolution options. Now select your preferred resolution, noting that higher resolutions will make the items appear smaller, while lower resolutions will make them larger. Click Keep Changes to confirm your choice or revert to return to the previous resolution. So that is how you can change screen resolution in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.